Hey guys, PenguinEsk here, and I'm back with another video. I kind of want to get straight to the topic today. So we're going to be talking about art theft. So personally, I've never been a victim of art theft, or I have, but no one has said anything to me if they've seen my art just like floating around. But it is super scary. And I've heard people from art school don't even like to share their art because of art theft. And it's the same about posting online. You never know who's gonna do it, but I feel like if you want to get out there, you kind of have to show your art. Art theft happens a lot with companies, especially with merch selling companies that sell like printed stuff on it. That's like an artist's worst nightmare. And just sometimes your average Joe just trying to impersonate you. The theft has no bounds. But I also think there are levels to art theft too, like stealing a pose, color palette, or an idea of something and adding your own twist to it, stealing aspects of different artists' style and adding it to your own to basically create a style. I feel like that stuff is harmless. People can trace your art, and that's kind of skirting the lines, but we've all kind of been in that position where we would trace our anime art or our cartoons, and a lot of the time when people are tracing art, I'm just assuming that it's basically children and they don't know any better, so just like kind of let it slide, but it depends on the person that you are. But I think the real step of the true theft is when someone claims your art to be their own, or they post it and never credit you, take away your watermark. I'm not sure who has the time to do that anymore, but I know it used to happen so much, especially on DeviantArt. But guys, I've witnessed the true theft firsthand, so it's a story time, bitch. I'm here for it. But so this takes place in high school, where all the drama and stuff happens. But basically, in high school, I was following this kind of famous Instagram artist. You all probably know him as Glenn Arthur. If not, go check him out. I ended up unfollowing him because, you know, it's not my type of art anymore. But he's still an amazing artist. And basically, this person in school, I knew at the time they did art. And I say that loosely because when they would show their art, it would always be on their phone and it looked different every time, and that was kind of a red flag. I was like, are you really doing this? Like I don't know, because there's still so many amazing artists that are super young, so I didn't want to discredit that person if they actually did do it. But anyway, on to our story. I saw the Instagram artist Glenn post a sketch of this. It was really pretty, and basically this person I went to school with posted the same picture, and basically I think the caption was like, oh, just sketching, or blah 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 blah, stuff along those lines. And bitch, I was confused. Like, I was just baffled because I don't think I've ever seen art theft firsthand like that, where I have screenshots. Like, I still have them because I'm petty, and you know, just in case, we all need those screenshots. But yeah, I had to like get confirmation from a friend and was like, hey, like, is this like, this is weird, right? Like, I'm not bugging. like this shit is weird. But then I was like, bitch, I fucking knew it. And like, fast forward to like a week or two later, a teacher was posting on this bulletin board, and it was basically like student work, like essays, pictures, blah 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 blah. And that picture that was on their Instagram was posted on the bulletin board. And I was like, wow, people are really, like, they're really getting away with this. And to be honest, I feel like the stupid one because I didn't report it. And I was not, like, outspoken enough to do so. And I kind of overthink, like, what if the teachers think I'm lying, or the thief was gonna try and come for me? So I kept it to myself, and I still regret it to this day. I wish I would have done something, because it bothered me really, like, a lot. And I don't know how, like, other people took it, because art is just, like, my life. So when you see that, it's just like, people are really out here doing that? Like, that shit's corny. Like, come on, my guy. Like, really? But I don't know. I've witnessed that firsthand, and I was shooketh, and I'm still just, I'm upset that I didn't say anything about it. But, you know, life goes on. I try and report when people say, hey, this person's, like, trying to steal my arts. Like, I try and, like, help out with that or whatever I can. I haven't been seeing it a lot as of lately, so, you know, hopefully it's on a downward spiral. I don't know. But the moral of the story is to always report whoever's stealing. And it doesn't matter if it's a friend or a friend of a friend or just some random Joe Schmo. Like, it's not okay, and it's unfair to the person who actually put effort into the work, and you just take credit for it, you know? So yeah, that was my story time. That was my thoughts on art theft. And yeah, if you want to talk about art theft, your experiences and stuff like that, please leave those down in the comments section below, because I know a lot of people have experiences with art theft. Hopefully I don't start getting into art theft, but not me personally, or it's just like people stealing my art. I don't know, I feel like my art's not that great to steal anyway. But, you know, it happens to, you know, the best of people. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to become a fishy, because we do artsu videos here every Friday. Yeah. Also, if you have any suggestions on the topic for the next video, please leave that down in the comment section as well. I always have not always, but as of recently, I've been posting every Wednesday. So basically, I ask you guys what I should talk about in my next video on my Instagram stories. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, go follow me on Instagram. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, guys.